The market is picking up. I'm very encouraged for what I see. Most of all, it is single family that's selling. Although I work quite a bit with C21, and they have, as of about a month ago, they had a 95% occupancy rate on their rentals. So that really gives you a picture of what's going on out there. There's a capacity issue at the rental level, and we have a huge starter home market going. If you haven't looked at a new home lately, you owe it to yourself to see what is in these homes. A home in the mid-2s right now, you walk in and you see granite countertops. Amenities in these properties that simply didn't exist 10 years ago. Not only your price point seems to have fallen, but your amenity packages just have been increased incredibly. We work a lot with Stevens Fine Homes, Southern Homes, a lot of the builders in town. And when you look at those, you just realize there is incredible value in the new home market. And so that is causing, I think, a lot of the existing homes to get very realistic about their pricing. And the market is moving. It's doing really well. When you look at current rates, a 30-year fixed with no points and no origination fee is 3 5/8 right now. It's almost free. When you look at the prices being as reasonable as they are today, plus the added value of that payment being so low, and then you take that times your 360 payments you'll pay over the life, you'll see you'll pay a lot less for that home today than you did 3 years ago, 4 years ago. It is just incredibly reasonable to buy right now. The other issue is, if I come and rent a rental house of yours, you're going to want first month's rent, last month's rent, and a damage deposit. Now maybe you're going to, just to get it out there, you may waive that last month's rent, but you're still going to have about a 1 month's damage deposit. So if on a $150,000 house, you're going to be renting that for around $1,200 a month. I'm going to come to you and rent your house and have to pay you $2,400 minimum. Now compare that to, I can go over and buy a USDA home. Builder's going to pay all the closing costs, all the prepaids. I'm going to step in there and with no money down at all, I'm going to buy that house, and my first payment's not going to be due anywhere between 45 and 60 days from now. So my $2,400 now that I can go buy drapes, I can go move in, I can, so in terms of the amount of money out of pocket, plus my payment is going to be a lot lower than that rental payment. Even when I go taxes and insurance, I'm less than $1,000 on that house. And so we're getting people that are realizing, wait a minute, I can buy a brand new home, I can enter the homeowner community. We've got the best price that we've seen probably since around the year 2002. We've exited a protracted time of people really investing in their homes and making all the homes upgraded tremendously. So the same home that you see in any of the neighborhoods around town that has been through the last 10 years, if they've been keeping it up, you'll walk in and you'll see the granite countertops and the stainless steel kitchens, and if those type of things aren't there, then it's going to be reflected in the price, and you can easily go in and do it. There is a lot of cash being spent for homes. My friend at Coldwell Banker was saying they were 25% cash. Intercoastal was higher than that. Because you can't get anything for your cash, people are waking up to the realization that, wait a minute, there are some incredible bargains around here. I'm getting nothing at my bank. Even large deposits, I'm getting 0.4%. That's not even 1%. So when you compare that to the incredible deals that are out there in homes, this was an incredible buying opportunity at every level.